Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an update on my Focus palette, or commonly known as Pan That palette. If you haven't seen me before, or you're new to my project panning, then I am panning Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So here's an overview of what we are looking like. This may look different to your palette if you also have this. Some of these shades are Natasha Denona shades that I have filled the blanks in. So many of these pans I already finished, but I was working on a Natasha Denona palette and I decided to put them all together and I repressed them in. So starting off with Tempera, which originally was a skin shade, it was very light. I completely finished that and I've replaced it with a Natasha Denona shade. We have Glistening, which I mostly finished in this palette, but I mixed it with a very similar shade in the Natasha Denona palette, and I already have another big dent in that. Orange Soda, I have been using that as a blush, which I put into a bigger pan because it was harder to get the brush in these small square pans. So this again is a Natasha Denona that was repressed in. Rose Pink, which is the original shade, I have quite a big pan on that, though I do want to finish that one because I don't get enough use. Sultry, I rarely use that shade, but it's beautiful and I need to start working on it. Bronze, I finally hit pan in that recently, and again I need to get more use. Mulberry, there's not even a dent in that. I don't think I've used it, I think I've used it maybe 5 times, so I need to get cracking on that one. Dusty Rose, hardly use this one to be fair, but I find it difficult to use because there's so many browns, so I think you can only really use it with pinks. It's definitely a cool tone which doesn't fit with most of the palette. Fairy, which is a Natasha Denona replacement, I finished that one completely. Burnt Orange, I use that daily, usually as a transition to go up towards the brow. Sienna, which is original, I don't use this much. In fact, I don't use 3 of these all that much. So Sienna, Rustic and Cypress Umber all need a lot of work because I'm not touching them enough. And we have Noir, which I have a very slanted pan on, but it is growing, and I've been using that a lot more lately, doing more punkier looks or using it as an eyeliner. It is starting to dry out, which is strange because the others are not drying out, but the black is. But it still works enough to blend it. So I really need to get going on Noir. I'm hoping to hit a few more pans in the next coming months. I probably won't do a monthly update on this. I'll probably do it like every 6 months to make it actually worth watching. Because if I do it every month, I don't think there's going to be much progress. So I would love to hit pan on the replacement for Orange Soda. I would like to hit pan on Sultry. And I'd like to at least have a dip in Mulberry. So that would be, hopefully in 6 months' time we will see that. It's a last look at it. So you can prove me wrong if I don't hit my pans. I would love to hear or see your progress in your current focus palette. Comment down below what you are working on currently, or if you also make videos on project panning. I would love to comment and show you some support myself. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it's inspired you or motivated you to keep going in your own journey. I hope to see you soon. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up because it really does help the algorithm and it gets my video out there. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!